Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be testing this baby right here. This is the Plouise Mmmmitchell Acid Rain, and this is in the shade RAVER. And the reason why I only got this shade is not that I didn't like the other ones. It's just that I found myself using this shade a lot. This is like a pinkish magenta type of color, and honestly I never thought of using pink because when I was little I was like, pink is too girly for me, like it's just not for me. But here I am trying pinks and everything. And I've been using this palette as well from the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette, and I usually gravitate to this pinkish colors because they are absolutely so cute and they're just everything. So I told myself, okay, let me get this Plouise Acid Rain and let's see if it actually works. So this will be my first impression on this baby. So let's just go ahead and start this video, my loves. If you guys haven't subscribed my channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows and concealed my lids so that way we're ready to start. So this is how this baby looks. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So as you guys can see, it's brand new. And this is how it looks from the inside. I don't know if you guys could see that. So I'm gonna grab a brush. I'm not sure how to do this, to be honest, or maybe apply it on my hand. So I'm gonna grab my brush and I'm going to start applying it right here. Ooh, look at that. It definitely applied on my lid like super fast, and it's very buttery, very pigmented, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing right here. Okay, you guys, so that is how I applied this acid rain. So I'm gonna use this as a base. So as you guys can see, it's kind of wet still, so I'm gonna wait until it dries up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and then apply my eyeshadows. But for right now, I'm just gonna wait for it to dry a little bit. So now that it's kind of dry, I'm gonna go ahead and add pigmented on my lid. So right here on my outer corner, I want to go with this shade right here from the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette. This is Calabasas, and if you're wondering, I'm using the Morphe N433. And so I'm going to start applying it right here on my outer corner. So as you guys can see, adding the eyeshadow on top of the acid rain, it made the shade so pigmented. Like if I was to put the shade alone, I would feel like it's not going to be that pigmented, that rich, saturated look. But adding that acid rain just made it look so much bold, and I really think that that's because I applied the base. So what I'm gonna do right now is apply another pink shade right here on my inner corner. So I'm gonna go with this shade, which is called Self-Made. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here. And I'm going with Calabasas, and I'm just gonna blend out the pink. And then I'm going to grab another shade and I'm going to buff out the edges. So with that, I'm going to grab this shade right here, which I believe it's called Mogul. So grabbing that, just a small amount, I'm gonna start blending out. And there you go, guys. Oh my god, I'm even scared to look at myself how pigmented this is. So then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and basically cleaned my lid with a cotton swab with this baby right here. So then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my concealer and I'm going to start cutting my crease. I'm gonna go with the shade Calabasas and blend out this outer corner. And so now, since I love applying black eyeshadow right here on my outer corner, like that's my go-to. I just love it. So I'm gonna grab this shade right here, which is the shade Fast Lane. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that on my outer corner. And then I'm going with the shade Calabasas and I'm just blending out the black shade. And then I'm going to apply Calabasas right here. Grab like a smudge brush and you just want to apply it right here. And then you're gonna go with the black shade and blend it out. And just like this, guys, I'm going to go ahead and add like a shimmer shade right here on my inner edge, or I'm just gonna make it white. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the shade white. So in that case, I'm gonna grab the Jawbreaker palette and I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here. And I'm going to start applying it. And voila, that is how it's coming out, my loves. I'm going to grab the JS14 brush, which is like this very pointy brush, and I'm going to grab this shade right here, Don't Know Her. And so this is like a pinkish shimmer shade, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it right here on my lid. So that is it, guys. That is basically the final look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and focus on my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm gonna go off camera and do this side of the face, and I'm gonna come back and apply our lashes. Okay guys, so I went ahead and already did this side of the face, and I also went ahead and did my makeup base. So if you're curious on how to create your makeup base, then I created a video talking about how to do your makeup base. So if you're curious, then you could go ahead and watch that video after this. But I'm gonna go ahead and quickly show you which lashes I'm going to use today. So today I have this baby. This is the Baby lashes in the style Batty. So I'm gonna be applying this baby. Okay guys, so the last thing we're gonna focus on is our under eyes. So I'm gonna go with the shade Calabasas, And I'm grabbing the small smudge brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it right here under my eyes. Then we're gonna grab the blending brush and we're just gonna blend it out right here. And lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and add a shimmer color right here on my inner corner. So I'm gonna go with this baby right here. This is called Custom Rims. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara underneath my lash. And now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my entire face. Okay guys, so this is how I created this look using the Plouise Mmmmitchell Acid Rain. And my thought about this when I apply it is that first of all, it was very pigmented and it was also very buttery, and it applied very well. You don't need to go and grab a lot of it. You just grab it, and you could even apply it with your fingers, or you could grab a brush and also apply it with that. And then as you guys saw, when I apply it, it was there, the pigmented was there, and I really like it, and it made my eye look more bold, more rich. So I really love that for that reason, and I'm definitely using this whenever I go for a pink look. So do I recommend this? Yes, I do recommend it, because again, it's super pigmented and it actually works. This is not necessary, but me, I've been starting to love that bold and rich eyeshadow looks that I've seen a lot on Instagram. So I do get inspired by those looks, and obviously I do want to try them on and create my own pigmented bold looks as well. So I figured that having this will help me furthermore, so that's why I went ahead and tried this baby out today. But yeah, my loves, if you made it to the end, thank you so much. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.